think I vlogged all last week, but I looked at the vlog footage and I wasn't feeling it. So we're gonna begin anew. I didn't put up a vlog this past Sunday. I just put up a short. Sorry guys, but I didn't like the footage, so I was like, So we're starting new this week. Hey bitches. It's Tuesday right now. I have a couple of orders to pack up. It has been a very good business week for me. I told you guys that I am going to invest more in my business and more in promotions. I don't think I told you guys that, but I did tell you I was going hard in my business this year, harder than I was, promoting every day, all that, all this, all that. And I have been paying for promotions and all that. So I have 5-6 sales to pack up today, and my new printer came. I feel like I told you guys that my printer was not compatible with my laptop, so I ended up returning that printer and getting a Bluetooth printer, so that way I can print directly from my phone, from an app. I got my nails done for Valentine's Day. I did not go to my nail tech because I want to be able to spend the money I need to spend to get the achieve the set that I want to achieve. And I will never lowball my girl because that's my good sis. My nail tech is my friend, and I was like, you know what? I don't got the money that I need to spend right now to spend on my nails, but I will be back. Okay, so this hand, they're both cute, but this little clear finger is a little bit foggy. It's giving me cloudy days. This one is giving me sunshine. Okay, you see, this one is giving me cloudy days. You see what I'm talking about? But like, they're still cute. They just look like two separate, like, you know, this is the same like design on the nail, but this one is giving a little bit more foggy bottom, and this one is giving clear skies and sunny days. You know, I'm good with both, but this one obviously is going to do what it needs to do. She's going to give what she needs to give, and this one is giving, I mean, she is also giving what she needs to give, just a little bit more subdued. Okay, so she's giving more like a nudish tone with the hearts, and she's giving clear. They're both clear. All of my nails are clear. I just got powder on the other nails, well, and then polish on this nail, but they came out good. The kids are right here. I'm about to make some coffee, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Why are y'all following me? Y'all done had y'all breakfast. Y'all had some juice. What? Mommy's trying to make her coffee. Can I not? So I got this Golden Graham creamer coffee mate. What are you doing? Some Publix honey. Is some Publix? Yeah, some Publix honey. It's rare that I put sugar in my coffee, so I need more honey. And then we have the Starbucks caramel flavored K-Cups. Can I help y'all? Y'all look very handsome. Say cheese. 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 Adrian, show your haircut. Okay, bye-bye. Some trash from off the boxes. Look at the little toy area. It's pretty much clean, so good for them. They didn't do anything. Their dad cleaned it up. Cheese. Oh, I got my toes done, guys. No one cares. But I got the toesies done. Yes, I got my Crocs on. I wear them around the house. My toes done. My feet are fat. I know. Don't come for me if I didn't send for you. Cheese. Bye, baby. Ooh. Baby. Okay, so like I said, I have some orders to pack ship out. I got more promo today, so I'll probably have more orders later on. But my new business cards came. I mean, not business cards. I'm sorry. Thank you cards came. And I know I'm one with the holographic. So, boom. Get into it. You know, I love me a good holographic. And they all look different. Well, not all of them look different, but it's 3 different ones. They all say thank you for supporting my small business. She is taking care of us, for sure. But, so it comes with the receipt holder. I want to say I get some, labels. If I don't, that's fine because I have a whole box of labels. My kids are being so dramatic today, and this is really stressing me out. Transparent mom moment. I'm stressed out at least 75% of the time. So the printer looks pretty much like the other printer did. It's a thermal printer, specifically a label printer. It pretty much looks the same that the other one did. I think it might be a little bit smaller, but for the most part, it looks the same. Comes with the cord, the manual, a USB if I need to get the stuff off the computer, which I do like. I wish the other one did that, but it didn't. And how to hook it up. Okay, yeah, it comes with some labels in here too, but I have labels, so I'm not too worried about that. But this side should be facing down. I'm gonna be vlogging the whole pop-up, so you guys are gonna be there with me. Okay, so one of these is a power cord. I think it's this one. That would make the most sense. Yeah, for this to be a power cord. For sure, this is for sure the power cord. It's pretty long too. I should have got this one in the first place. Something told me to get a Bluetooth one, but I don't know. I was so excited just to get it. So for the actual printing, I have to hook up an Apple microphone, so I have to get off of here with you guys to do that. But I just want to make sure, you know, we're good before I get off of here. Okay, I don't want installation. Just tell me what app I need. On off, power cord. Okay, boom. App Store or Google Player to search shipping printer. Okay, so let me go do that and I'll be back. I wish I had a time machine. So it's 3:48. I'm cooking dinner. So I'm making pork chops, baked, mashed potatoes, and green beans. Before I show y'all these potatoes boiling in this pot, I don't want nobody in the comments to say, well, when I make my homemade mashed potatoes, I cut them up. Nobody got time to do all that. This works for me, and this time I'm going to do it. So don't come in my comments box. Talk about what you can ask. Okay? So I'm making my mashed potato. The potatoes are boiling. I got my pork chops. They're pre-seasoned right here. I'm cooking them in the air fryer. And we eating green beans. I'm supposed to be driving today, so I'm trying to make sure that dinner is done before I go, so that way while I'm gone, Brian and the kids can eat. The kids probably won't eat this because I don't know. I was about to say they don't eat pork chops, but then also I didn't think they ate tacos, and Aiden really kind of busted down my tacos when we had tacos the other night. So I don't really know what Aiden eats anymore. He just does his own thing. His heart tells him that that's what he wants. His heart tells him that's what he wants. But Either way, that's what me and Brian are eating. They'll probably eat mashed potatoes and green beans though. They don't really care for like meats too much anyway. Like any meats, they'll eat it, but it's not like they're like, oh yeah, I need some chicken like me. Like I feel like I'd be needing a meat. Like so this is my second cup of coffee. Obviously it looks different. I don't have any cream in here. I just have oat milk, coffee, and some honey. But yes, I'm doing that. Once I'm finished, oh, I went to the post office earlier to drop off some orders. Good news, the printer works. Oh my god, I was supposed to come on here as soon as I was done, but I got sidetracked. The printer works. Thank the Lord, the printer works. I can print them directly from my phone. All I have to do is download the app. Oh yeah, I'm so excited because y'all know how big of a baby I was, crying. Tears ran down my face when I got the other printer, and I was distraught. Cried again when it would not hook up to my laptop. So luckily I got it from Amazon, and the return process was easy. I just had to take it to the UPS store, do a little, I didn't have to box it up, just take it to the UPS store. They boxed it up for me. They scanned my phone, chipped it off, boom, boom, boom. So I got that. I have backup labels, even though it did come with labels. I want to say it came with 50 labels, and I still have my pack of, I don't know how many labels I actually brought separately, but I still have my pack of labels that I bought separately in this whole box. So we're good for a little while, you know, unless y'all get the popping off on the website. If y'all get the popping off on the website, then we might have to repurchase some labels, baby. But I digress. So I am looking to save more money. So I changed my Shopify to, so all the money I'll spend normally will be from when I do Shipped, Uber Eats, Instacart, and all of my payments that I get on Shopify, unless they go through PayPal, because my PayPal payments go directly to my PayPal account. They'll go into my Shopify balance, and for right now I don't have a card to that. So all of my money that I'll get on Shopify is just going to be in my balance, and it's just going to sit there, and it's going to add up a little bit, which is going to be good because then my website fee for the month and all my shipping fees and stuff will come directly out of that, and I don't have to worry about, you know, having the money in my regular account, because I know when I get my sales and stuff, they'll go directly to my Shopify balance. So it's good. So that money will not be touched, okay? Not even for inventory. I'm not going to touch that Shopify money probably until April-ish. I'm going to try to leave it in until April-ish. So Brian's not extra duty no more, so I can drive now as much as I need to. So that is great, obviously. So I'll have a lot more extra money. So any payments I'll get will go into there, like I said, besides the PayPal ones. But I'm excited, y'all. Oh my God, this week started off so good. Ordered my printer, got me some orders. I should be getting some more orders today. I've already manifested to myself that I'm going to get at least 5 orders today. So because I already told myself that, and I put it out there into the atmosphere, that's what's going to happen. So that's what I'm looking forward to. But I think I am going to still be doing beauty videos. I haven't seen one yet this year, but I am still going to be doing beauty videos. I'm supposed to be starting my color series. I did do a video on that. I looked at the footage though. I do not like it. Like, no, I'm lying. You guys did get one beauty video, I think, the first week in January, but I did not like it. So until I start the series, I want to get at least 2 videos filmed, and so that way I can edit it and put it up for you guys. But all my beauty videos will be put up on Thursday. They won't be put up any other day of the week. So a vlog can go up any other day, but Thursday is my beauty video day. So if I put up a video on Thursdays, it's going to be a beauty video. But yeah, let me know down in the comments which I think my first color series color should be. I started with orange. I didn't like it. So let me know. Every color besides red. I have no red eyeshadow for real. So let me know what color you guys think I should start with. And then we'll go from there. But I think the next video you guys get will probably be a Valentine's Day look, because Valentine's Day is coming up. So you guys will probably get a Valentine's Day video. You guys will see me get it though, so whatever. I'll show you guys when dinner is done. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so like I said, pork chops, air fryer. I made loaded mashed potatoes, minus the bacon bits because the bitch ain't have none. But cheese, sour cream. Y'all doing too much. Some green beans. Bussin'. Okay, I tasted the meat and the boys already tasted the mashed potatoes and yeah. Because when it comes to some food, baby, I'ma cook it. Why are you standing on top of that? Exactly. You have no reason to be standing on top of that. Thank you very much. Swing my hair. Bitch. What is y'all doing? I think I'm about to do some makeup so I can do some TikTok content. I already filmed pre-transition. No makeup transition part. So I think I'm going to do some TikToks, do some makeup. Maybe I'll try Valentine's Day looking if I like how it goes. If that's what's going to stick, that's what we're going to go with. Or maybe, actually, maybe I'll do a brown smoky eye, and then I'll do a cut crease situation on another day. A brown smoky, I haven't done a brown smoky in a minute, and I think I can snap on it. So I'll probably come in and show you guys after I finish my makeup, but that'll be the end of the vlog. I don't want this vlog is already probably 20 minutes, and literally all I've been doing is being in the house all day besides running to the post office. Brian is currently still at work, so I don't think I'm gonna be driving tonight. I don't know. I honestly don't feel like it. I think I need to get some content done. I've been slacking on content a little bit, so I think I need to get some content done. But yeah, I'll show you guys once I finish my makeup. So give me basically my makeup is done, and I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not gonna hype myself. But look at the material. Look at the material. This is just, it's the no filter beat for me. It's the natural eye creases, and I don't go for me. It's the beautifully laced lashes for me. It's me put my septum piercing back in for me. But yeah, that's all I wanted to come here. I told you guys I was going to show you guys my makeup when I was done. By the time you guys see this video, the TikToks that I made will probably be up on YouTube for Reels. So just look out for those. If you didn't see them already, just know once you see this video, those will already be up. So make sure you go check those out, because my shorts recently have been getting a lot of love. So make sure you just go check that out, just because I just feel like it's what you should do. It's what Martin Luther King would have wanted. So I feel like that's what we should do. But I'm gonna close the vlog out here. Like I said, this is just me vlogging throughout today. So it's just gonna be a day vlog. It's not gonna be like throughout the week. It shouldn't be too long, but it's gonna be like long enough. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe if you didn't already, and give this video a like. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a yellow heart. I love you guys. Bye.